Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use the website Baamboozle to organize quizzes in your class. As a teacher, maybe you have ever tried or you want to try organize quizzes in your class, but you are tired of showing questions to students and also marking points at the same time. But with this website Baamboozle, this problem can be easily solved. So let's check out together. Okay, first we go to website to find Baamboozle. And we go to this website, and if you haven't got your account, please sign up it. And after your accounts are created, so you can sign in. Okay, after you log in, you will see my library here. So you will see my games. And if you want to create game, you can click this class game. And you need to give a brief introduction to this game. So I'm gonna make HSK 3A lesson 1, for example, and description review 复习. Choose the language Chinese. And there are 3 options: public, unlisted, and private. So if you choose public, which means the game you create will be also launched on this website, so other people can also find it. And if you don't want it, you can just choose unlisted or private. Then we make a game. Now I'm going to show you how to make questions. For example, we have first questions. 要考试了，我要什么? I add an English here. 汉语. So the answer will be 复习. You can also change points here. For example, if you want to change to 10. And then you can click save. That's one question. And you can also upload picture to the question as well. I'm going to show you. For example, 他在做什么? So I'm gonna choose photo here. Also points. So the answer will be 他在玩电脑游戏. Save. So like this, you can create questions, and there's also you can create multiple choice here, but that's not for free. And today I'm just gonna show you how to use a Baamboozle free. I'm gonna make more questions here. Now I have 6 questions here, and actually you don't really need to save it. It will be saved automatically, so you can just go to your My Library, then you will find this. And I'm gonna click it. So now I'm gonna teach you how to play it. Basically, you can just click this play, and you can choose Baamboozle. Like I said, today I'm gonna show you how to free to play. Then you will see there's teams, so you can choose 1, 2, or 3 as you want. So I'm gonna choose 3. There's 3 options here. First one is quiz, so that's questions only. And there are also classic and classic junior. So with classic, there's some power-ups, which means there's some other functions in this game. For example, you can steal points from other team. You can have extra 10 points, 20 points, like that. Today I'm just going to show you how to use a quiz. So we click quiz. Then you can see 6 questions are here. And you can let the team 1 to choose the questions. For example, they're gonna choose 2. 去旅游，我们要什么面包和地图? So they will say the answer. And if the answer is correct, you can choose OK. And team 2, they choose 3. 他在做什么? Okay, for example, they didn't answer it correctly, so you choose oops. And team 3, check. Okay, team 1, check. Okay, team 2, check. Okay, team 3, check. Oops. So then we can see the winner is team 1. So that's basically how we play this game. Now you can know how to play this game, but I'm also give you some tips from my teaching experience. When I play with my students, I also like to choose the different themes. So for example, I'm gonna choose spring and also do the quiz. Then you can see there's some pictures here, and if your students the level are enough to do that, you can let them to describe these photos to choose the questions. That's also a way to practice their Chinese. And the next one is you can go to here games. So you can find a lot of games here. So from my experience, I got a lot of experience from these games. You don't really need to use the Baamboozle necessarily, but some of games can really give you inspiration and you know how to organize more games and activities in your class as well. And what's more, you can also search for games. For example, you search HSK3 and language will be Chinese. Then you will find some Baamboozle here, and also you can find mine, I think. So if you go to blog, you can see there's some good blog here. For example, 35 essential icebreaker games to hook your class. So you can see a lot of blog here, and I'm sure you definitely will find some inspiration from it. So this is Baamboozle. I highly recommend it for you. That's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe our account. I will